Hey guys, it's Nelly here. Welcome to another cooking vlog. This is our episode 2. So for today's episode, we're gonna make Bicol Express. Basically, all we need for our Bicol Express are pork, ginger, red chili, onion, coconut milk, and fish sauce, or in Filipino we call it patis. But first, I want to thank everyone who watched the first vlog. If you haven't watched the first vlog, it was actually about how to make the Jollibee spaghetti, or how to make a Filipino style spaghetti. So check that out if you haven't watched it. And I want to give a shout out to Ampi, or Amelia from Ottawa, who requested to make today's dish. I think it's her favorite, so we'll make it for her and of course for you guys. And also, if you have any requests for the next dish that you want me to make, just let me know, comment down below, or message me on Instagram or Facebook. My Facebook and Instagram name is the same. Just search Nalrenz Manuel. I'm the only Nalrenz in the world anyway, so just search it. And let's get started. So again, we will start with onion. I'm just gonna cut it into large dice again and put it in our food processor. Next will be our ginger. Peel it up first. Then after peeling it up, just cut in the large piece since I'm using a food processor. That's how you make Bicol Express. So easy, right? Also, I want to promote this brand. My boy made this. I think his brand calls Triple R, or Rowdy Rat. Follow him on Instagram and you'll see all his great work at Rowdy Rat. I'm gonna put it somewhere there. So follow him, and hopefully you can also support my channel. Again, just Nalrenz Manuel, and I hope to see you in the next episode again. Thank you.